Hello, welcome. We've signed the lease. We have begun. We got our paper all up, soon to come. You know, all good and healthy, nutrition, blah blah blah, and big store. Plan is what we're going to do is, well, this is what happened. Whoever installed these ceilings decided to install them at 3 different heights on 3 different sides of the wall. So with the replacement tiles we've got, we're already going to be about $2,600 in the hole to replace these tiles, and because we got some that are damaged, some that are missing, blah blah blah. And I don't really want to pay anybody to come in here and re-level the ceilings, because that would just be a waste of time and money, really. So what we decided to do, okay, so I just ended up talking to myself for about 15 minutes because I had it on camera and not video, so that's nice. Let me make this quick. See this header we got running around here? Like I said, the ceilings are 3 different heights, from here to this back room here. There's about an inch and a half difference in everything. But in order to save us the money in leveling out these ceilings and doing all that, what we're going to do is we're going to make a decorative header. And the header is going to run down here and across to the wall. We're going to make that into like a decorative column kind of thing. And then we're going to open all of this up to about here, so that'll give us, you know, more open space. We can put a bar top here with some chairs. It'll be much more open and inviting. And like I said, we'll make some decorative kind of column things over so we can keep that and not have to worry about re-leveling the ceilings. So we just gonna keep on keeping on. We gotta tear all this out first. So yeah, we got all this tore out in about a day. Yeah, I think the mirrors are gonna have to come off the wall because it's gonna look like somebody's looking through the back room at everybody. But yeah, time to get it tearing out. Yeah, so the battery on my phone's about dead, so I'm gonna go charge it. You saw me marking the thing, I'm marking the header all the way around. I'm gonna continue doing this on the other side and getting that header in, getting that sheetrock out. And these math do wonders for your beard, I swear. quick, I was really careful to keep that blade as shallow as possible because you don't want to dig into these lines. That would have been bad. That would have been real bad. Shoot, I got two uncles that are electrical engineers. My dad's a daggone electrician, and I know red's hot, black's negative on cars. But then when it gets into this stuff, with different colors, you're gonna have to do some more rerouting when we take this wall out. And this wall is going to be coming out to about here, in here somewhere. Open all that up, leave that header. That way it's not like a death row hallway trying to get to the back. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, time to cut the other side. Found these in between the sheetrock right here. Dang smokers. All right, so it's the end of the day today. As you can see, we've got, hey Mindy. As you can see, we've got pretty much everything torn out that's going to be torn out until I get the header framed in, and then this part of the bar framed in. Now, funny, these studs are not square at all, so I'm probably going to end up chopping that wall and moving it in after I get the header done. But just to give you a quick little tour. This is going to be the front bar area. There's going to be posts here, the header, as the plan goes. Seating over here, seating over here. Probably going to have a T station over here. Back here on this back wall, we're going to have a shake station, probably with an ice maker over here, and a water machine here in between so they can both get to it. And then back here, we're going to have a nice little curtain. And in this back area, we're going to flatten, we're going to make this an actual corner, not a slanted corner, so that our 3-bay sink will fit in there. And then we'll have a curtain right here for, just so the customers don't have to see us watching the washing blenders and all that good stuff. So, and then in this back area, it's a big building. Let's see, we're gonna have probably a pool table over here, and maybe a couch, coffee table, maybe some extra seating, stuff like that. The team says all the team meetings are going to be here, so I guess we'll have to put some kind of seating in. And People are, I don't know if you're curious why I'm saving all of this insulation, is because it's pretty damn good insulation. Probably gonna use some of it to make a insulated box for the blender so that they're not scaring the customers out the front door. And yay, toilet. This room we're gonna save for wellness profiles and stuff like that. Probably put a little half wall, like one of them little divider things.
Sam said to keep it open.
Sam said to keep it open. Well, I guess we're keeping it open then. And then back here is storage. Massive air conditioner. Employee bathroom back here. Shelveses. Lots of shelveses. Oh, and look, we've already got the workplace laws up. Isn't that nice? We ain't got to buy them. That's sweet. But anyway, stay tuned. We're going to keep going with this, and I want to have this done within a month and a half, because we got to make it happen.
That's right.
Do your get her done.
Get her done!
On a tree.
Bye, y'all.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.